Christmas SEO for Etsy new listing. How to sell Etsy listing fast after adding on Etsy. What to do? Follow 5-step plan. Let's move to Etsy together. Hi guys, this is Світлана Прохорівська, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Number 1. Add listing on Etsy, and after that immediately right now run a sale some percent off to your listings. This run a sale on Etsy make your listing much more visible for Etsy searches on the marketplaces, and due to this your listing receive some boost on Etsy. Shop manager, marketing. Number 2, sales and discounts, and click run a sale to your new listing. Number 2, what else add to your new Etsy listing? Free shipping and 2 new discount. It's all shop manager, marketing, sales and discounts. Run a sale due to this add free shipping, and number 2 discounts. It's save some percent when you buy 2 items from your one Etsy listing. And number 3, it adds 3 listings together and to some percent. If person buys 3 listings, she or he receive much more bigger discount. Add this to your Etsy shop. These 3 sales help promote your Etsy shop, your new listing on Etsy. So much good. Number 3, use Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, any social media with link to your new Etsy listing. It's so much important to promote your new Etsy listing inside Etsy and in the Google. It's make your Etsy listing much more visible due to high quality links from social media. Number 4, don't forget, share your Pinterest pin with new Etsy listing to another group bots on Facebook, to another groups where sell handmade, where sell Etsy sellers. Number 5, if somebody buy your new listing, ask your customer, add a review to your new Etsy listing. It's so much important. Much more reviews, much more promote in the Etsy marketplace. Guys, if you need help, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Download my ebook Etsy SEO 2024 plus 500 Pinterest group bots sale 50% now. If you have any questions, write under this video. With you, Світлана Прохорівська. Subscribe, guys. Bye.